Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Elisha J, and today I will be doing a what's on my iPad. I just got this iPad for Christmas. Let me give y'all a backstory. This was my old iPad. I stuck with this iPad for 5 years. I got this iPad when I was 10. Yes guys. It's not broke. It's not broke. Like, the screen still work and everything, but like I broke the case and it was time to go. I was like, yeah, I gotta get a new iPad because I had it for so long. I was like, the screen stopped working, so I'm like, oh no. Fortunately, I got one for Christmas, and I got it in blue so it can match my camera cover. If y'all didn't know, I have a blue camera cover for my Sony ZV-1F. Let's get into it. All right, just turning on my iPad. This is my wallpaper, guys. I just made it on Canva so I can show y'all how to make it. So the first thing you want to do is go to Pinterest. Why wouldn't somebody go to Pinterest? I'm about to scoot so I can put the screen right here. All right, so you get on my Pinterest. I have a lot of boards. So fashion, summer, lifestyle, winter lookbook, hair, biblical scriptures, tattoos, motivation, vision board, natural hair, stuff like that. But when you get on here, you just want to pick pictures that relate to you, pictures that you wanted to like. Mine, I thought about a vision board. So things that I want to accomplish in 2025. Okay? Like for the summer, yes, I want to go traveling. I can get this shopping picture. I'm going to save this. Horse picture, save a scripture, and some other pictures. All right. You saved all your pictures. Roughly, if you want to do like a fast one, save 10 to 12 pictures. If you want to do more pictures, it's going to take you longer. Not going to lie. Because I've tested this out for a minute. When you have a lot of pictures, it definitely takes up more time. For this, you want to pick out a size. For your iPad, I had to search up the measurements for my iPad because I had put it for pixels. But let's say you're making one for a phone. So you click 16:9 on Canva. Then you add all the pictures that you just saved. Camera roll. I have 11 pictures. And now you just play around with them, put them wherever, and just keep adding them around. Normally, I change this, like I crop them, make them smaller, for boxes, because it's easier to do it with a box instead of a rectangle. So you just play around with them until you finish. So I'll get back to y'all after I'm done. Alright y'all, so I'm actually almost done. I had to go back and add 2 pictures so I can finish this. I think I'm gonna put this one over here. You can zoom it in too. That's a good thing that I like about Canva. I like how Canva, it lets you do what you want to do. So this is how it came out. Let me know how I did. I think it's pretty cute. But everybody doesn't like what I like. But yeah, I finished this one. Probably not going to use it because I already made mine. But this was just an example of how you can make one. So just let me know if y'all liked it. We're trying again. Alright. Open up my iPad. I have a few widgets that I have on here. My first one is my screen time. Yes, I know, 15 hours, but But it's like, y'all, I have not had school the whole week. They shut our school down because it snowed. That's not our fault. Let me turn on my low power mode. Yeah. I haven't been at school, so I haven't had nothing to occupy me. My screen time is gonna be high regardless. Alright, let's get to the apps. Camera, app store, settings, password, calculator, mail, stuff like that. Then my other widget, this is for Pinterest, and it's for one of my boards, my summer board. And it's just basically like things I want to do in the summer. And it's not even really just the summer. It's just like things that I want to do, like go on vacation and stuff like that. It just got like ATVs on there, people and their friends, you know, traveling, stuff like that. Then it has my power things right there, my entertainment, YouTube, Netflix, YouTube Studio, and of course Canva. Even though that's not entertainment, I just put it in there just because. Then they have my notes app. I have a little exercise here. I know, guys, I have been trying to get into exercise. I have been exercising every so and so because I'm trying to get my body right for the summer, you know. Everybody's trying to get their body right for the summer. So, you know, me too. I can't lie. Alright, Pinterest, then it's Spotify. I listen to a lot of like 90s old soul music. But I also listen to like Brent and Frank Ocean and Bees, and you know, I just listen to whatever I think sounds good. Then I have my verse of the day, which is Matthew 13:44, and I read the New Living Translation. It says, "The kingdom of heaven is like a treasure that a man discovered hidden in a field. In his excitement, he hid it again and sold everything he owned to get enough money to buy the field." Yeah. And then this one is also my widget for Pinterest. It says, "So you must live as God's obedient." Let me click on it. So you must live as God's obedient children. Don't slip back into your old ways of living to satisfy your own desires. You don't know any better than, but now you must be holy in everything you do, just as God who chose you is holy. Then I have the Bible app right there. Then I just have my social medias kind of. I can really put that. You know what? I'm going to just put that all in the widget for real. Because I don't know why I didn't have that. Yeah, just my social medias. And then socials. And then my hotspot. And then Zoom. So yeah, that's really what's on my iPad. This isn't one of those aesthetic ones because, I mean, my iPad is aesthetic, but I've seen other people's iPads. I'm like, my iPad's not that. I like what I like. I don't do all that extra stuff. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. More content, like sit down content, might be coming soon because I'm trying to try like different things for my YouTube. And I actually like sitting down and just filming instead of just doing like vlogs or doing something all the time. Like I like to sit down and yep sometimes. If y'all don't know me, I like to talk. Bye guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This was just my iPad or whatever. Nothing crazy, you know.